Today's tutorial, guys, is a summer nail art design featuring the CreativeShopStamping's new holographic glossy stamper. This was sent to me to review. First off, I use the Barry M's cotton jelly nail polish. I apply one thin layer of polish as this is my base coat for the design. I then apply the Born Pretty Stores liquid latex around my cuticle and finger, just so I don't have as much cleanup when I do the smush step of my design. For the smush, I use Sun Worshipper, Flip Flop Fantasy, Pool Party and Rose Among Thorns, all from the China Glaze polish collection. With the Creative Stamping Shop's new holographic stamper, I apply each of the polishes onto the stamping head, ready to smush. I find this Creative Shop stamper is really squishy and it is really good for stamping. So then just apply this onto the nail, smushing the polish. Just be careful because I did start pulling the polish up if you do it too many times. And then with the BP 017 stamping plate, I chose the Enjoy Your Summer image. And I stamped, as you can see, the image transferred really well using the new stamper. And then I finished it off with a matte polish from Barry M. Don't forget, guys, if you like my tutorials, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe.